guys, today we are going to do a walkthrough of a couple of our properties. This first one we're going to be at here is 4959 Sunshine. We did a video on this with the sewer scope and a property walkthrough. And today I'm out here doing a walkthrough. I think my business partners may be here already. Alright, looks like they got a lot of their stuff out. So we gave the seller an extra few days on this one to clean out the property as best they could. And we told them that they could leave all this stuff behind. That's okay, as part of the deal, right? We had to offer a lot of convenience to them in exchange for a discount. And in this case, the convenience was a quick sale, but also as is. And part of the as is meant that they could leave a lot of stuff behind. But compared to the last video that I took, it looks like they got quite a bit out, which is great. That's less stuff for us to have to haul out of here. Just some clothes. And it's looking good. Let's go downstairs and see how that's looking. And I think the budget over here was like maybe 10 or 15,000. So they still got quite a bit of stuff down here that we're gonna have to clean out, but really one dumpster would get this done, or maybe even you know, two dump trailers might even get this done. It's quite a bit of stuff down here, but it's easy to do these cleanouts though. So that's a quick update on 4959 Sunshine. And we just closed on this. Let's see, today's Friday. I think we closed on this on Tuesday. And I think by Monday, our plan is to have it all cleaned out. And we're gonna probably do a little bit of work to the kitchen, clean it up real nice, paint it, probably do some light fixtures. As you can see, we got older light fixtures, so we'll update the light fixtures. And I think we're gonna leave the windows. Nothing wrong with them necessarily. We'll probably put a little bit into this kitchen. New appliances, some stainless, maybe paint the cabinets. The countertops don't look bad. They're not really torn up too much. We'll, again, paint the cabinets. So this is gonna just be a kind of a clean up and a flip. So, you know, shoot to make 25,000 on it. But our rehab budget, oh yeah, look at the light in here too. So we need new lights. Look at the bathroom. I think our rehab budget was like 10 or 12,000, give or take. I imagine we'll glaze this tile. It doesn't look terrible though. Glaze this tile, clean it up real nice. Put in a new vanity. Maybe leave the toilet even, and then a new light. So very minimal over here, guys. Very minimal. Probably spend 10 to 12. The goal with this one, because we're not doing anything major with any electrical or plumbing or HVAC, which really means we don't have to have any permits or deal with any inspectors, which is really nice. That allows us to make this a quicker flip. So the goal on this one would be to have it listed on the market within 2 weeks, which is very doable. Again, we're just doing cosmetic touch-ups and paint and fixtures. All right, guys, we are back out at 4029 Whoa.
It's up to you, man.
How we doing?
Good, you.
Doing great. Got this room all cleared out, which looks good. I think Our floor guy is supposed to be here maybe this weekend, but I don't know if that's gonna be too soon. The rest of these floors are looking nice. We got our kitchen in. Appliances look good. And I like the floors.
I'm rocking it out, guys.
Floors are looking good, Bill.
As usual.
Looking good, my friend.
Hey, I got the floor guy. I want to do this tomorrow. That's too quick.
Windows look nice. Got the trim in.
We got a cover so we don't mess them up.
I'm really digging this kitchen. I think our countertops will be in early next week. Let's check out the. So we gotta do these floors still. How we doing, buddy? They got all that patched up. That looks good.
Here and there.
Yeah.
But
These are steps. Bunch of paint still. Curious to see how our bathrooms are looking. These doors look nice. So we gotta do the flooring up here still. I don't know, it looks really good. So we gotta do some flooring up here. I like this tile. Man, this needs a light. I hope we got all the tile in here done too. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks nice. Got our vanity in. Our toilet will go there. It's starting to come together. Hopefully we'll get this thing finished up in the next 2 weeks. Get it listed. The market is hot right now. So this will sell quick. We got our good floors in, the vanities in.
no problem.
I got the tile around the tub. It's looking awesome. We put our toilet in. And this is looking great. So we got a little bit to do over here still, guys. We're nearing the finish line. We're gonna get it done and get it sold, get it listed and get it sold.
Here's the deal. So we got the kitchen all ordered.
This is our kitchen here, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna go in.
Brand new kitchen.
Is it gonna go in this, like from here to there?
Well, we're gonna have the sink over here, stove there. We're gonna put lower cabinets underneath that window.
Oh, that's smart.
So this will be all cabinets, horseshoe.
I like it. Looks like they've done some painting.
Oh yeah, we're almost done here, dude, to be honest with you. Look, just gotta get a few more lights.
Are we not moving that door after all then?
I'm fighting with Jason about that.
Yeah.
So you tell me.
I know what you wanted to do. You wanted to close this off and move it to this other side,
I
right?
want to make a door over here, but he said there's a plumbing pipe all the way across, which is probably true. So
You
see
wanted to
here?
make the access right here.
Yeah, it'd be perfect. But people don't. But maybe in this price range it don't matter. Let me show you. See, there's a pipe coming right across. Just go over here. But fuck, it really would be nice.
Yeah.
But in this price range, you know.
Man, I wouldn't mess with it.
Yeah.
I just put the door in, paint it up, make it look pretty.
A little baby hallway here, but fuck it.
I would leave it, Bill. I wouldn't even touch
They can
it.
put the table over here if you wanted to.
This all looks really good. What'd you guys do with all the trash that was in here? Just hold it out?
So we gotta get new doors first.
Yeah, new doors and windows. Did we already get windows ordered?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna buy lights this weekend with Jason.
What kind of flooring are we gonna be doing in here?
I think we're gonna use that shitty ass vinyl gray shit. I'm gonna tell Jason, remember we learned from last time, if we do all gray walls and we do too much of the gray floor,
Yeah, that's too
so
much.
we gotta get wood color.
Let's do the wood color. I like it. I like
We've
it.
done that before.
Yeah, but that's the click
Gray
together.
on gray, man, gray on gray. People didn't like that.
Yeah, that's a little much.
Alright, so here's your washer dryer. A little bit of a hassle because this thing's gotta be moved, but no biggie because it won't fit in there.
Yeah, this house is built in what, like 1890?
Hey, take me off video for a minute.
Guys, we are at property number 3 today. Doing a little property tour.
Baby, beauty.
We're out here at 7335 Virginia. Bill, you got it nice and painted up,
I
buddy.
tell you, this is the ugliest house I've ever rehabbed. Starting
This
out.
this
Gotta tell you.
might be the ugliest
The
one.
ugliest. But it's gonna be the prettiest, pretty swan.
Pretty swan?
Swan.
Okay.
Dude, how do you like the black? It looks like
I think the black looks good, actually. We got new windows ordered.
oh yeah.
Wow, this looks really nice.
Look at this dude, Mr. Dave. We're gonna make this a little courtyard seating.
Oh, I like it. This really looks good. This was all buried just by dirt,
Yeah,
wasn't
this
it?
is fucking sweet. Look at this here. We're gonna put new doors in here and here. This would be a courtyard. Real nice.
Oh, you're gonna expand it out this way. I see.
Courtyard here. Maybe get a gate here. Close this off. This would be a
Yeah, I like the idea of closing this off because this all just needs to be filled.
Well, yeah. Here's the deal. All this shit here, we're gonna throw in this cellar. See this?
Yeah, because isn't that sealed anyway?
Yeah, I'm changing my plan. So this.
Yeah,
here's
this
the
all
plan.
just needs to be filled
See this?
in.
I was gonna have the Mexican crew like redo all these bricks and shit,
Okay.
but that's a lot of work, a lot of hassle. Instead, we're gonna concrete this whole thing. Patio, patio, patio.
Okay. Okay.
Concrete this all the way up. This will be all.
So we gotta fill it first then.
Yeah, but it's gonna be like a 2-level. This will all be 1 level for the barbecue pit, step down for the patio.
Hey, I like it. Oh, did we paint the garage?
Yeah.
Or the little
I
shed?
threw that in. I made him do that when he did the spray.
Yeah,
down.
well, it looks good.
And we're gonna put concrete pad back here for the cars.
Okay.
So we're gonna.
You gonna go all the way to the corner here then?
Yeah, we're gonna go back to here, make it a 2-car.
Okay. Yeah, that'll
Here's
look
a
good.
question for you, Dave. What do you vote? Privacy fence in front or behind for the cars? Because people are gonna want some, it's kind of security. No.
But if they have it behind, you're gonna have to have a gate, right?
Yeah, big gates to open it.
Big gates.
Maybe just put it in front. Because then your cars are exposed to thievery though, but it gives you privacy.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a 50-50. We'll think about that.
There's really no good answer to
I've
that
done it
one.
both ways.
I know.
That's why I
I
said
know. There's really no good solution to that.
You gotta worry about security.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally. Security is an issue down here. You do got a church right over there, which is nice.
This will be all new patio, floor, concrete,
I like it.
and then
Let's go check out the inside.
let's do it.
So, have we done anything on the inside yet?
Oh yeah. How much do you think it was to paint this whole damn house, including the shed and do all the
All the
white trim?
exterior paint,
Plus we did all the trim around the front windows and the black tile.
and then we got windows ordered, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna get rid of these boards.
Yeah, these will all be nice windows for the most part.
Cool. Paint, I don't know. What'd you spend? Maybe
They just scrape it, power
$3
wash
grand?
it. $2,500 all in.
$2,500 all in, and they did the power washing.
Includes material.
Do we need to get in this lockbox?
Yeah.
Is it over here?
Well, let's just cover that up. That's plumbing permits on it. Did it.
Man, you got big, tall ceilings in this.
This is beautiful up here, guys. And this is 100% ready to go. We got carpet to be installed in the next week or 2.
Oh, carpet's a good. I like the carpet idea up here.
We'll be done. All we gotta do is put the lights in and shut down the old upstairs.
I like it. How's this bathroom look turning out? And then we got dual zone HVAC in this house too, Bill.
Yeah, we gotta get Jason to get that working right. Jason.
Oh, these floors look nice.
Hey, what about this color here? Will this work downstairs?
This will work downstairs.
It's a little gray, but it might work. What do you think? The whole house like this?
I think it looks good.
Is that,
Oh, the vanity looks nice.
is that too much gray and gray?
It's a lot of you love your gray.
I'd really go a little brown.
Gray.
Let's go with wood color. Not a little more wood color.
Yeah, I like the wood. I think the wood color will
All
look
this
good.
is
But
nice.
up here it looks great. This looks really nice.
All the windows are coming in.
Let's get it cleaned up a little bit and get the windows in.
Big old ceilings.
I like it.
Okay.
What was our budget over here?
I want to say 30,000 maybe.
$30,000 budget.
We're a little tight.
A little tight on this one, but
We bought it pretty cheap when we buy this.
we're gonna make this. Yeah, we bought it for 42.
No, actually I think we're 40.
And
40
I think the
40.
budget was at 40. Yeah, so it'll be about 80,
We'll be all
85.
at 90. We'll call
Yeah,
it
85 to 90. And then what are we gonna try to list this thing for?
90. I think we're talking 139.9 maybe more.
139.9, 140. So that's a 50K spread minus commissions and
We should make
costs.
at least
and-
40 to 45.
Yeah, 40 grand.
And then we use the old magical, mark it up 10K at the last minute, always works. We'll go 149.9.
There you go.
And then boom.
Try to clear 45,000.
Yeah, that's right.
I like it. This looks really, really good. Man, I can't believe this was all buried.
This is the ugly duckling house, guys. I gotta tell you, I voted against this one, but it may work out.
He didn't do the best job on the scraping,
Yeah. I guess.
but you know, it is what it is.
I think the inspector's gonna take it.
$2,500 paint job.
Yeah, I mean, if we had to, we could scrape.
I mean, I would just leave a 5-gallon bucket behind of the same color and let the buyers.
Yeah.
All in all, this thing looks pretty good. I'm gonna get these windows in. Looks pretty good, guys. This one was gonna be a quick one, which is nice. We should hopefully have this thing listed, ooh, I'd say within 3 to 4 weeks. So another one on the books.